In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Microsoft Word's page layout tools for print-ready, professional documents. We'll work mainly from the Layout tab, where you control how content sits on the page and how easy it is to read. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with margins. Margins are the white space between your content and the edge of the paper. Standard 1-inch margins suit most documents, but don't be afraid to adjust them. Narrow margins can fit more text for things like legal documents, while wider inner margins are helpful if your pages will be bound, so nothing gets lost in the spine. That surrounding white space isn't wasted. It actually improves readability and prevents the page from looking crowded. Next, orientation. Portrait, the vertical layout, is ideal for letters and reports. Landscape, the horizontal layout, is perfect when you have wide tables, charts, or images that would feel cramped in portrait. Switching orientation is easy, but remember, by default, orientation applies to the entire document. That's where section breaks shine. Section breaks let you apply different page layout settings to different parts of the same document. For example, if page 1 is a portrait cover, page 2 is a wide landscape table, and page 3 goes back to portrait, insert a next page section break before and after the landscape page. Only that middle section adopts the horizontal layout. Another common scenario is mixing a full-width title with multi-column text on the same page. Type your title, then insert a continuous section break below it, and change the following section to 2 or 3 columns. The title stays full width, and the content flows neatly into columns. Speaking of columns, they're great for newsletters, flyers, or academic layouts because shorter line lengths are easier to read. Use the Columns menu on the Layout tab to format the selected text. If you need to control where one column ends and the next begins, insert a column break exactly at that point to force the wrap. For consistent spacing, avoid tapping Enter multiple times. Instead, adjust spacing before and after paragraphs from the paragraph settings in the Layout tab. While you're there, set left and right indentation to position paragraphs relative to the margins for a clean, predictable rhythm throughout. Finally, turn on Show, Hide paragraph marks from the Home tab. Those non-printing symbols reveal spaces, page breaks, section breaks, and column breaks, making it easy to spot and remove anything that's out of place. Master these tools, and your Word documents will look intentional, organized, and ready for print. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.